Today I want to show you how to play with dates in a pivot table. Lots of things Excel does with dates. It tries desperately to be helpful, but more often than not, it's not particularly so. This is not high level stuff. There's a lot of Excel guys out there who could do this with their eyes closed, but me, like many others, learn on the job, learn a few tricks or two, and it's worth sharing. So what we see here is a very basic list of bank transactions from a business bank account, date, value, type, and I'll come back to that bit in a minute because I've already prepared some of this. So in a typical pivot table, we see the dates. Just refresh that, make sure it's the right version. Yep. So later versions of Excel very helpfully group the dates. It sees the date format and groups it for us, but it's useful. Let's just bring in the type of transaction so we can see. That's kind of useful. But if we're looking at a financial or fiscal year, we'll see that these quarters are all wrong. So we want to ungroup that, and then we get home short date. So we get our list of transactions not particularly well summarized and pretty useless. So if we really want to look at a monthly breakdown of our transactions, and to do that we could, as I've pre-prepared over here, text, so convert the date value into a text value using the YYYY format. Very simple, text A2 gives us a nice, neat on face value, a very nice looking date. When we pivot that, let's just take the old date out and put in the text month. There, okay, that's not going to work. Sort. Come on, god damn it, cancel. Sort A to Z. No, it doesn't like it. Okay, this is the trick that I found to be incredibly useful. There's an Excel formula called EO month, and here's one I pre-prepared earlier again. I will confess to finding this on Google, and the syntax is confusing. I don't profess to fully understand how it works. Again, that shouldn't be something you should be listening to on the YouTube Excel channel. But hey, it's a trick and it works. So end of month. So the end of that month minus a month plus 1 day. So it gives you the first day of that month, which is, as you can see, that works perfectly. Let's not worry too much about how it works. The fact is it works. So we use EO month, extend it all the way down. We can see we get the first of the month in each. And if we wanted to, we could custom format cells. We want it to be a custom, and we want it to be month, year. Okay. Pivot. Let's refresh that again. Take out the text month. Sorry, it's my phone just binging in the background. And bring in EO month. Again, very kindly, it's seen as a date, because obviously it's date format. Ungroup that. Reapply the format. Home. Formats. Custom. Okay. And there we have a now usable set list of dates. So that was a very interrupted and very brief view around the EO month formula. And just to be clear, we're taking a full date format and we're reducing it down to a usable month. And that's not only usable in the grid, in the table, it's also usable when you're aggregating in an Excel pivot table. So the formula EO month, open brackets, the cell you're looking at, -1, close brackets, +1. Like I said, don't ask me how it works, but the fact is it works. It's a trick and it's useful. So thanks for that, and speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.